Bro, people keep saying Bitcoin is a scam, but I'm not selling. No way. Markets are wild right now. Interest rates are up, the dollar is strengthening, but somehow gold is also rising. Weird mix, right? Either way, I'm holding on to my BTC, even if I keep getting it wrong. My logic, if I don't take profit, then Bitcoin must be a scam. Anyway, today's a big day. Japan's central bank is opening, China might inject liquidity, and we've got a bunch of economic reports dropping. Housing prices, consumer confidence, money supply, and reverse repo. Basically, I need to be green today. But man, market makers and big players are crazy smart. They time everything perfectly. Like yesterday, they shorted right when the US had no major economic data, Japan's central bank was closed, reverse repo was climbing, Trump was giving a speech, Michael Saylor was buying more BTC, Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan CEO, was bearish, the Japanese yen wasn't weakening. Then today, boom, South Korea cuts interest rates, the yen weakens, money supply jumps, and suddenly yesterday's price action gets reversed. These guys are surgical, man. If there's an internship program for market manipulation, I'd apply for free just to learn. Also, Goldman Sachs is basically saying no panic yet, but people are uneasy. Hedge funds are pulling back risk, big investment firms are sitting on the sidelines, and while everyone's ignoring new COVID and Microsoft's data center drama, geopolitics are a big concern. And Trump, he's acting like he doesn't care that the economy is cracking, which is weird, right? What kind of president just lets things break without a clear plan? At least when China tightens liquidity, we know why. But the US, kinda sus. There's no way they'll just let liquidity dry up forever. People need money to spend. Watch, if the NASDAQ crashes, that's when Trump will finally chill out. Right now, since the stock market is at all-time highs, he's acting untouchable. But when's the crash? No clue. Here's the fun part. Citadel, a giant in traditional finance, is stepping into crypto as a liquidity provider. That's huge because it means Jane Street, another big player, won't be able to manipulate prices as easily since Citadel has way more money to play with. So those usual market dips at 10 p.m. might not happen anymore. When does this kick in? Not sure. All in all, I still think this weekend's green. We've had 3 weeks of indecisiveness in the market, doji candles, so a breakout feels overdue. One last thing, Trump is all about tariffs, but the only thing that can stop him is a stock market crash. Gold is up, stocks are showing signs of stress, and big names like Warren Buffett are selling stocks while holding the most cash in history. That's saying something. Oh, and just so you know, money supply is increasing in both the US and China, gold is rising, interest rates are 4.5%. The US is running a $36 trillion debt, and the interest payments on that debt are bigger than the country's defense budget. Unemployment is at 4%, and layoffs keep coming. Basically, Trump is locking up liquidity the same way China does. Wild times, bro. But me, I'm still holding, not selling. Let's see how this plays out.